Do you find yourself stuck in decision making? Do you find yourself in dilemma to decide what is good and what is not? Do you find yourself in problem that is it good thing or bad thing? So guys, this video is for you. Hi everybody, my name is Anurag Singh, and today in this video I will be going to discuss a technique that most of the intellectual use, most of the people who want to understand, who want to see things completely, who want to know that okay, if I use this method then I do not miss any important points. Then let's discuss this point, and that is 5-point perception. We know that if we perceive things from 5 different views, from 5 different perspectives, then we will understand it completely. Because as we know that most of the times we only see single aspect of the things, maybe 2, maybe 3, but not 4, not 5, or not 6. Why? Because we are not taught this way, because we are not in our school, in our colleges, taught that this can be something that is used to think, that is used to help us to decide what is good and what is not for us. So let us discuss this point. To proving this, my method of 5-point perception, I will say that I will give you 4 examples. So the first example is that we know that our body is made up of 5 elements: sky, earth, water, fire, and air. Okay, so these are 5 elements by which our body is made. Now let's talk about our sense organs. How many are they? 5. Kitna? 5. Okay, so how? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. So these are 5, not 4, not 6. These are 5. So God sent us with 5 sense organs to see things completely, to understand things completely. Then why we are so ignorant to not see things from 5 different perspectives? Let me give other examples. To take a balanced diet, we have studied in our class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th books that for us to have balanced diet, we need 5 things, 5 nutrients, that is vitamin, mineral, fat, carbohydrate, and protein. Other is water and roughage, but the 5 are main. So why 5? Because if you want to understand something completely, if you want to decide whether it is good for you or not, you have to see things in at least 5 different perspectives. Okay, if till now you are not satisfied, let me give you example from real life, how I use it for me, how I use it today. Okay, so this is the story that happened, that this incident happened today itself. I'm not lying, by God, I'm not lying. Okay, this happened today. Now my grandparents decided that they should purchase a copper water bottle, as my grandmother is in heart patient, and also she has high blood pressure. So copper is something, a good metal that is going to relieve her, that is going to help her in her health. So they decided, okay, we should purchase a water bottle. Now they went to the market and went to the shop and asked that how much cost for this water bottle, and he said that it is for 1300 or 1400, somewhere like between in that, 1 liter bottle. Now they returned home and by thinking, okay, is this really this much expensive? Now they came to home and they, as I'm their grandson, and they believe in me that if they come to me, then I will decide, I will give them a good suggestion. So they asked me, okay, Anurag, tell me, we are going to buy a water bottle, so which water bottle should we buy? Earlier they asked me which water bottle should they buy. So because of that, I started took my phone and start searching. But while searching while searching in the mobile phone, I clicked a thought, and that was, why shouldn't we go for a jug? Now I start comparing jug and water bottle, and there I used 5-point perception. Now I compared jug. So first point, jug is cheaper in price than the water bottle. Jug has a better quality than water bottle. Jug is cheaper than water bottle, and as I purchased today 2 jugs, so the capacity was twice. Okay, we can clean the jug properly with time, and it will not hamper us. And the other thing is that the quality of copper used in water bottle is thin, so it will there will be dent in that. And also we are not also our need is not to carry it, so we do not need a water bottle. That's why I suggested them to purchase jug, and I and my grandfather went to market and purchased jug. Not single jug, but 2 jugs, because I know that if I am doing 5-point perception, this will give me a better idea about something, whether I should go for it or not. So I want you all to use this 5-point perception in life. Further in the videos, I will discuss more example about 5-point perception, by which you can understand things in a far better way. In it, to understand, you will understand it completely. Okay, let me give you one more example. I'm not satisfied that I have given you sufficient examples, so let me give you one more example. To understand a teacher, we should see at least 5 aspects of him. First is his teaching methods. Second is his problem solving. Third is his motivation and how he treats students. Okay. Fourth is his subject knowledge, whether he's really good at that subject or he just read about that and teach. Okay. And the fifth is his character. So by this, or maybe you can add more points, you can understand a teacher completely. You want one more example? Really? Okay. Let me give you one more example, because this method make me think very widely. Let me give you one more example. Let's say you watch a movie. Now tell me, if I say that, okay, tell me about that movie, what you liked in that movie. Now you will say, okay, I like the song in that movie, I like the storyline in the movie. That's it. But no, my friends, you have to view it in at least 5 perceptions. So to see a movie or to understand a movie, we should know that who is the cast in that movie, what is the storyline of that movie, what is the genre of that movie, who is the director of that movie, and whether it has entertained or not, whether it has that something that really entertained you or not, it is a flop or a blockbuster. So you can add more points also, as I'm not saying that these are the only points, but you can add more points. So this is what is 5-point perception, and you should try it, and I hope that you will try and write it down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.